if Apple still can't help, it's because the logic board's damaged. So generally Apple will test things like the battery and the screen and do diagnostic tools. And if the logic board is dead or damaged, you've got two options. You can take it to a local phone repair shop if the data is not really crucial for you and you don't really care too much about the privacy. Most phone repair shops will do very basic repairs like look for short circuits on sort of the surface level of the circuit board, or they might replace the battery or the screen, or they might clean it with something like an ultrasonic cleaner. But if it doesn't work and a local phone repair shop can't help, then yes, bring it to us. We specialize in data recovery. We have a partnership with Apple. Apple recommends us and refers their customers to us because that's not something that they offer. They recommend all their customers keep an iCloud backup and make sure they don't lose their data. But if you do lose your data, we can definitely help. So we can temporarily repair the phone and back up all the data with the correct passcode, or we can transplant the main components in the memory chip and do what's called a board swap onto another phone if it's really badly damaged for some reason and get the data back.